Hey, you guys, what's going on? This is Roy Castillo from iWireless Point of Sale. Excited to be here and ready to show you guys through this video how to process a payment. So to get started, we could either type in the customer's phone number and click go, or click on the button right below where it says Quick Sell. And right above where you have all of the available transactions to make, we're going to go ahead and select Payment right on top. And what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and type in the customer's phone number. Then we're going to go ahead and select the customer we want to run the payment for. If this customer is in your database from the past, so basically all their info is going to be auto-generated, including the payment amount. It's not displaying it here, not this time, because I wanted to show you the whole process. So say you're going to charge the customer $38 with the platform fee, with the payment fee. You're going to simply type in 35, since the $3 fee or whatever fees are going to be automatically applied on the invoice. You're just going to type in 35. So keep in mind, if the customer pays 38, including the payment fee, just go ahead and deduct the payment fee amount and type in the amount for the payment, which is in this case $35. So once we do that, we're going to go ahead and click right above on the Select Platform button and select the platform, the payment link that we are going to go ahead and process the payment through. And once you guys have completed the payment process, and let me remind you guys, nothing changes whatsoever. Everything's going to remain the same, so you're going to do your payment process as you always have. Once you do complete it, you're going to go ahead and copy and paste the transaction ID over from your payment platform. This is going to help you guys make sure in the future that you are getting paid back on your commissions and all of your profits based on your payment commission structure. So once we do that, we're going to go ahead and select the carrier that this is for. And remember, guys, once the customer comes in, everything's going to be automatically applied. The payment amount, the carrier, their name, and pretty much make things easier. So once we do complete these steps, we're going to go ahead and click on Add to Cart right on the top right, where we're going to be showing a preview of our invoice. Let me read out the description for you guys. This is a boost mobile payment, customer's phone number, the quantity of the payment, and then right below we have the fee of $3. And then, there's another fee. For example, you could have your own store fee, that's $2, and the transaction ID. This is going to help you guys make sure you are getting paid back on what you're supposed to. And then, totaling you up to $40. Once we're going to be ready to invoice the sale, we're going to check out, and we're going to charge the customer. Hit complete, where you guys will be given the option of course, printing a thermal receipt, 8.5 by 11 receipt, or you could just either email them the invoice or text message the invoice, where you could automatically enroll this customer into your texting campaigns and let them know in the future what different discounts they might be eligible for. And of course, you'll be taking care of the planet since you're not going to be wasting any paper. And that will be the whole process, guys. If you do have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to shoot us a chat. You can just type in, hey, I need help. And either myself or one of my colleagues will be more than happy to help you guys out, get you guys on the way, answer all of your questions, and be totally available for you. And, this would be it, guys. You guys make it a great day, and we'll definitely be in touch. Goodbye.